Welcome back to your weekly market pulse. Today, we're zoning in on one of the most dynamic pairs in the forex market, the British pound versus the Japanese yen, GBPJPY. Known for its volatility, what is the dragon telling us this week? Is it set to soar, or is a downturn on the horizon? Let's break it down. After analyzing recent market activity and chart patterns, the overall sentiment for GBPJPY is strongly positive. The vast majority of technical setups are pointing towards bullish momentum. While there's always a contrarian view, the dominant perspective is that the pound has more room to climb against the yen. Digging into the charts, we can see a clear story unfolding. A key buying point was identified in a strong demand zone around the 198.30 level. Price tested this area, found significant support, and then launched upwards, confirming the presence of strong buying pressure. This move validated the bullish outlook, with the price successfully breaking through initial profit targets around 198.65 and 198.80. This indicates that the upward momentum is solid. So, what are the key takeaways for GBPJPY right now? First, the bullish sentiment is strong. The support level around 198.30 proved to be a critical pivot point, acting as a springboard for the recent rally. As long as the price remains above this level, the outlook remains positive. Second, traders are now looking at higher targets. The next significant area of resistance appears to be around the 199.50 mark. If the bulls can maintain control and push past that, the path could open up towards the major psychological level of 200. In conclusion, the path of least resistance for GBPJPY appears to be to the upside. The key is to watch the support at 198.30. A hold above this level keeps the bullish targets in play. As always, the market is unpredictable. This analysis is for informational purposes only, so be sure to conduct your own research and manage your risk. Thanks for tuning in, and trade smart.